So this is find the simple interest. So this is find the simple interest accrued on 7,500 at 6% of 90 days. So this here is a financial math problem. This is a grade 11 financial problem here. So first we have to figure out, if we don't know the formulas for simple interest, what would usually happen is that we would actually give you a formula on we would give you a formula on the test, basically, so you don't have to actually memorize these guys here. But if I want to say the simple interest formula, there's simply A, which is the final amount, equals the principal times 1 plus R over T, where R is the rate here and time is in years, right? So this here would be my simple interest formula here. So A is the final amount, which is what we're solving for. Principal is 7,500 times 1 plus the rate here is 6%. So I have to change that to a decimal. So this would be 0.06 times time, right? Time is in years, but however, I only have 90 days, right? So I have to simply just say this would be 90 divided by 365 here, because this is a fraction of a year, right? So this would all equal 7,500 times 1 plus, and then whatever is 0.06 times 90 divided by 365. Let me do that for you here. This will give me 1 plus, this is 0.01479, and then if I plug that into my calculator, I would get times 7,500, I would get a total of $7,610.96. But however, this is just simply the final amount. What I would do is it's only asking for this simple interest, right? So again, I would have to do this in blue. I'm doing interest would equal simply just the final amount minus the principal, right? So I have the final amount, which is $7,610.96, minus what I put in initially, which is $7,500. This would then give me just the interest number, which is $110.96. So this here is the interest accrued on 7,500 at 6% in 90 days. So this here is my correct solution. As you can see, $110.96 is also the correct solution here. So what they wrote is, simple interest is the principal times the rate times the time divided by 100. So they did, so 7,500 times 6% divided by 100, obviously, because it's a rate here, times 90 divided by 365. So exactly the same formula as I did here. And they simplified it using a calculator, and they got $110.96. So this is a great solution and analysis.